Локомотив Душан. После ще заповядате за въпроса за следващата с Славия.
Първо да чуем коментарите на мача.
Your comment about the game.
90 минути горе-долу играхте човек повече.
Almost 90 minutes you played with
A strange game. Strange game. We have enough opportunity. First half and second half also 2-3 situations, you know. But today was not our day. We tried. We put some effort, but little bit luck today. That was not on our side. Even with some situations which are with referees, you know, also. So it's hard to lose in like this. But okay, this is football. We must accept this.
Странен матч. Имахме доста шансове, както първото, така и второто полувреме. Не беше нашия ден просто. Пробвахме, но като че ли късмета не беше на наша страна. Отделно имаше и ситуации, в които имаше някои отсъждания от съдията, но това е футбол.
След края на матча събрахте футболистите, какво им казахте?
After every game, especially when we lose, it's not easy for them also. No? They try, they want, but okay, nothing special. We just speak and we say to each other that we must give more, and it's not enough, simply, you know, and we must find some more energy, especially when we come to the moments of decisions, you know, we are not precise, and we must improve this. Every game here is, like I say many times, it's details are decisive, and we must stick together and find solutions, you know. And we try many players. We try also a few times with changing tactics and all this. Generally, I'm not disappointed with the team. No, they try. I feel sorry in this moment for all of us because I think that the other teams are not better than we. But football is like this, you know. You come in the moment, all club come in the moment when we cannot be successful, and we train that you win, you know. And losing is sad part of football, you know. So you must accept. That's why we go to the circle and try to encourage ourselves. And as I remember, this happens to us even before I come here, you know. So I try to think that we don't want to go back to this situation, and no, just working more and trying better.
След всяка среща се събираме на терена. Не им е лесно на момчетата, пробват, работят здраво. Не им казаха нищо специално, просто че трябва да даваме повече и това, което даваме реално не е достатъчно. Но в крайна сметка и някои дребни детайли могат да бъдат решаващи. Във всяка среща, когато трябваше да взимаме решения, на моменти не взехме правилните решения, но в крайна сметка това е футбола. Направихме и няколко смени, също така сменихме и тактиката на няколко пъти. Генерално не мога да кажа, че съм разочарован. Не смятам, че другия отбор игра по-добре от нас, както и в предишните срещи. Въжи това. В крайна сметка тренираме, за да печелим. Когато се събрахме след края на срещата, просто исках да ги насърча и да можем да забравим възможно най-бързо тази среща и да продължаваме да работим по-усилено за предстоящия матч.
Показвате импотентност в предни позиции, откакто вие сте начало на Локомотив, само веднъж отборът е вкарал 2 гола. Всички останали мачове или не отбелязвате, или бележите по едно попадение, но пък положението ги има. Как смятате да се правят с това нещо?
We were creating chances.
Yes, we create chances, but even the other clubs, I don't see that they score many goals. You know, it's tough league and it's more. Today decide genius free kick from opponent player, you know, and our defenders forget to jump. You know, we have the player on the ground and they forget to jump. Maybe they will save this goal, but on the other side they have the guy who score amazing goal. On the other side, we try everything, but sometimes you need a little luck. And this is football, yes, I agree. I would like that we score 4 or 5 goals, that we have some easy game, but when I look back, we were disappointed when we play against Krumovgrad and we don't score the goal, you know, and we were better in this game. And we played many games when I cannot say that the guys were okay, you know, but these details which decide, you know, we win against Ludogorets, they have 3 posts, you know, so sometimes I don't know who decides when you will have luck or not, you know, but like I say, guys just must work, you know, we don't want to be in this position for relegation now, even team behind us win, you know, so it's not funny, it's not easy for us, but you know, we must go on and believe that luck will be on next game on our side.
Създаваме шансове, със сигурност, но в крайна сметка другите отбори също не вкарват много, все пак лигата е доста оспорвана. Славия отбеляза от един гениален пряк свободен удар, пък нашите защитници не знаем защо решиха да не скочат на стената. Пробвахме всичко в хода на матча, но все пак това е футбол. И на мен ми се искаше да вкараме 4-5 гола и да се получи лесен двубой за нас, но в крайна сметка загубихме. Дори в среща с Крумовград, която завърши при 0-0, със сигурност създадохме много шансове, но не вкарахме. Среща с Лудогорец победихме с 1-0, пък за гостите имаше 3 гради в хода на срещата. Късмет. Ние искаме да сме на тази позиция, със сигурност не е лесно, но вярваме, че ще се развият нещата положително за нас.
Какво се случва с Медвед?
What is the situation with Medved?
Medved is injured. He has problem with his knee, so he is not available in this moment.
Медвед е контузен, има проблеми с коляното, затова в момента не можем да го използваме.
Господин Косич, усети ли се липсата на първи Сомърбаев, който е един от най-опитните футболисти?
Felt on the pitch.
Yes, but this season, if you remember, every game is some red card, some guys are missing, we are hardly can put together all team, you know, every week is something else, you know, but this is also part of this what I call luck, you know. So yes, of course, he's our important player, you know, and today probably, but okay, this is what it is. We must count on these guys who can play, you know, and let's hope next game we will be in full team, that it will be full team.
Да, но като цяло този сезон имаме и червени картони, също така и контузии, проблеми с окомплектоването на пълен състав, но това го наричаме и част от късмета. Колкото до Омарбаев, да, важен играч, но в крайна сметка това е положението на игра. Днес разчитаме на тези, които могат да вземат участие в двубоя.
2 ваши гола бяха отменени. Какво е вашето мнение? Видяхте ли ситуациите? Особено второто попадение на Бергандерев.
Two goals were visible for Lokomotiv. Did you check the situation, and especially for the situation with Pepe Vorsilva? Comment.
What can I say?
Какво мога да кажа?
It was not allowed because they decide like this. You know. For me, we need points. I will not disallow this goal, you know. But okay, it's when I think that when the player touch the hand and score the goal, that this is anyway must be VAR must involve, you know. So this is not allowed that you touch with the hand and score the goal, you know. So if I did not see the situation, but they explained to me that it was pretty high, you know. But probably hand is the hand, you know. I maybe okay, this situation when it's 50-50, it's sometimes you must have a little bit luck. But more is about this, that we want to make some tempo, some dynamics, some all the time that we move the ball fast, you know, and the other things I try to, of course, when you are 1-0 in front, this is allowed, you know, but here we have a problem. Here we must try to play a long game, not to come to this, you know, that it's all the time it's taking their time, they don't want to play, and you know, this makes you nervous when you are behind. Probably when you are in front, you do everything that you don't play, you know. So, but this game today was really, I don't know, guys tried, but we were not good enough, and I did not lose many games like this today with my teams.
Честно казано, според мен, аз не бих отменил този гол за Пепи. Според мен ръката е прилепена, не видях ситуацията. Казаха ми, че може би ръката му е била малко по-висока, но все пак ръката удря топката, във ВАР трябва да прегледат ситуацията. Искахме в хода на срещата постоянно да има темпо, от другия отбор обаче не целяха същото, на моменти бавиха играта, това със сигурност ни измени допълнително, но днес беше просто пробвахме, но не се получи. В моята кариера не съм губил много такива мачове с отборите, които съм водил.
Благодаря.
Предстоят ви 7 финала. Играли сте вече с всички отбори, които са около вас. Какви са шансовете на Локомотив да избегнат парали за оцеляване?
Our goal is to do this, you know. And today game was very important, you know. Now we were not successful, and it's harder, but still we must believe that this is possible. And all the games with these teams, not just we, even the teams who are behind us are organized, are disciplined, you know, and every game is fight, you know. So for us, maybe it was all the games we played, it was 50-50, you know, and probably these 7 games will be the same, you know. Just we must believe. Of course, the problem is that our club is not used to be in this situation, and now we are looking at ourselves how we will climb from this. But the other clubs are also, you know, they are not for. We must respect them, and they are fighting for themselves, you know. So it's every game. It's every game tough, and let's hope next game we will have a little bit more luck and improve ourselves a little bit more, and that we will win. We don't want to be in this position where we are now.
Нашата цел е точно това, да избегнем баража. Трудно ще, разбира се, всички отбори в третата осмица са доста организирани, доста дисциплинирани. В срещи, които изиграхме с тях, нещата бяха 50/50. Смятам, че ще е така и за предстоящите срещи. Вероятно ще е същото, но все пак ние вярваме. В клуб като Локомотив не сме свикнали отбора да е в тази ситуация, на тази позиция. Уважаваме другите отбори от третата осмица. Със сигурност не очакват трудни срещи, но се надявам, че в този и в следващите двубой ще достигнем победа.
Благодаря.